Usain Bolt was running 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour, at his world record run on 100 meters in Berlin. But that is really slow compared to the speed some animals can reach. Check our ranking of the top 20 fastest animals on our planet. 20. Black buck, land, 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour, maximum speed. 19. Lion, land, 80.5 kilometers per hour, 50.0 miles per hour, maximum speed. 18. Blue wildebeest, land, 80.5 kilometers per hour, 50.0 miles per hour, maximum speed. 17. Springbok, land, 88 kilometers per hour, 55 miles per hour, maximum speed. 16. Pronghorn, land, 88.5 kilometers per hour, 55.0 miles per hour, maximum speed. 15. Swordfish, swimming, 97 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour, maximum speed. 14. Anna's hummingbird, flight, 98.27 kilometers per hour, 61.06 miles per hour, maximum speed. 13. Sailfish, flight swimming, 109.19 kilometers per hour, 67.85 miles per hour, maximum speed. 12. Cheetah, land, 109.4 to 120.7 kilometers per hour, 68.0 to 75.0 miles per hour, maximum speed. 11. Gray-headed albatross, flight, 127 kilometers per hour, 79 miles per hour, maximum speed. 10. Gerfalcon, flight, 128 kilometers per hour, 80 miles per hour, maximum speed. 9. Black marlin, swimming, 129 kilometers per hour, 80 miles per hour, maximum speed. 8. Spur-winged goose, flight, 142 kilometers per hour, 88 miles per hour, maximum speed. 7. Rock dove, pigeon, flight, 148.9 kilometers per hour, 92.5 miles per hour, maximum speed. 6. Frigate bird, flight, 153 kilometers per hour, 95 miles per hour, maximum speed. 5. Mexican free-tailed bat, flight, 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, maximum speed. 4. Eurasian hobby, flight, 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour, maximum speed. 3. White-throated needletail swift, flight, 169 kilometers per hour, 105 miles per hour, maximum speed. 2. Golden eagle, flight diving, 240 to 320 kilometers per hour, 150 to 200 miles per hour, maximum speed. 1. Peregrine falcon, flight diving, 389 kilometers per hour, 242 miles per hour, maximum speed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page.